Go.
In the farm. In the farm there is a boy named Andoy. He used to play with his toys and talks with his pet cow named Soy. He fed his cow with vegetables and leaves. When it's hot, he placed his cow under a tree. When it's rainy, he lets his pet stay inside their house. Andor takes care of animals and plants around their farm very well. He tills the soil to plant trees and vegetables for his animals. Father gives Andor coins as a reward for being a good boy.